starting off in Langlois, a short ride to Floras Lake, maybe a little hike and bike to get around the lake, then a nice developed trail system to get to Blacklock Point. Awesome views.
Today we're taking it easy. We're not climbing mountains. We're not bike camping. We're just taking a nice easy ride from Langlois. We're gonna take advantage of it today and enjoy this Sunday.
It's supposed to be a chill day today. Just biking and chilling. So we just biked out here to Blacklock Point. Almost no wind. It's pretty crazy. We lucked out today. We're getting out on our bikes and we're finding something to ride. Just for a chill day. Just wanted to get out, stretch the legs, have some fun, see some shit. Now look where we're at.
We rode on the highway, we rode on double track road, single track trail, mud, went through the sand, bikepacking bikes, all-terrain bikes, touring bikes. They're just the funnest kinds of bikes because you can take them everywhere. My name is Michael. I'm from Bandon Bicycle Works, bicycle shop located in Bandon on the Southern Oregon coast. Specialize in service and repair and just adventure, having fun, living for today.
This is the Surly Karate Monkey. It's the Leatherman of bikes. It'll do anything pretty damn well. Only limitation is the rider.
This is my Surly Karate Monkey OG. It's a great all-terrain bike. 29er, 1x drivetrain, big old frame bag, big wide bars. It's comfortable, it's fast, all-around shredder.
So over here I got my Salsa Fargo. We got a steel frame, carbon rigid fork. Originally drop bar, but I set it up with these alternative bars that have been working out pretty good. I do have these SQ Lab inner bar ends right here that have been working out really great. This is my all-terrain biking setup. Use it for riding a bit of everything and bike packing. It's been a pretty solid bike. A little ASMR for the people.
I should have probably brung my canoe and said, screw this bike ride. And
He's just kidding. Hey, Bandon Bicycle Works, why don't you sponsor us?
sure, everything you guys want.
Good.